Welcome. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your body to settle, to become heavy and supported by the surface beneath you. There's nothing you need to do right now, nowhere you need to be except here, in this moment. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a moment to simply arrive. Notice the sounds around you without judgment, just acknowledging their presence. Perhaps the gentle hum of the room. Let them wash over you, like waves on a quiet shore. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. You don't need to change it. Simply notice the natural rhythm of your inhale and exhale. Feel the air entering your body and then leaving. Perhaps you notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. Follow the breath as it flows in and as it flows out. With each inhale, imagine you are drawing in a sense of calm, of peace. And with each exhale, imagine you are releasing any tension, any worries, any stress you might be holding on to. Inhale, calm. Exhale, tension. Let your shoulders soften. Feel them dropping away from your ears. Release any tightness you might be carrying there. Let your jaw relax. Unclench your teeth and allow a little space between them. Let your tongue rest gently in your mouth. Notice your hands. Are they holding tension? Gently allow them to soften. Let them unfurl slightly. Feel the weight of your hands resting wherever they are. Check in with your posture. If you are sitting, allow your spine to be long and upright, yet relaxed. If you are lying down, feel the support of the bed or floor beneath you, allowing your body to be fully held. Now, let's explore a gentle grounding technique. Bring your awareness to your feet. Feel the sensation of your feet connecting with the floor or the surface beneath them. Notice the temperature, the texture, the gentle pressure. Feel yourself supported, rooted to the earth. Or, if you prefer, bring to mind a place where you feel completely at ease, completely safe. It could be a quiet forest, a peaceful beach, a cozy room. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you smell? Engage your senses in this peaceful place. Feel the warmth of the sun, the gentle breeze, the soft sounds. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this feeling of peace. As you continue to breathe, gently scan your body for any remaining areas of tension. Perhaps in your forehead, your neck, your stomach. With each exhale, imagine that tension melting away like ice softening in the sun, letting go, releasing. There's no need to force relaxation. It's a gentle invitation, a quiet allowing. Simply be present with your breath, with your body, with this moment. If your mind wanders, as minds naturally do, that's perfectly okay. Simply notice where it went, and gently, without judgment, guide your attention back to your breath, back to the gentle rhythm of inhale and exhale. For the next few moments, just rest in this awareness. Enjoy this time of stillness. Inhale and exhale. As we begin to bring this practice to a close, take a slightly deeper breath. Feel the air filling your lungs, and as you exhale, gently begin to bring some movement back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Perhaps gently roll your shoulders or stretch your arms. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this sense of calm and presence with you as you move back into your day. Remember that you can return to your breath, to this feeling of grounded peace, anytime you need it. Thank you for taking this time for yourself